Hello everyone, welcome to Maths and Science Intervention Club. My name is Mr. Nkuna. Today we're going to be doing currency. We are going to look at currency, whereby currency it is defined as a unit in which money is measured. And this particular unit, it changes or it varies or it differs, and it differs from country to country, country to country. It differs from country to country, whereby in South Africa we have the measurement of our money in rands, and the unit for that particular rand it is given as R. Whereby in USA we have the dollar, and the unit for that particular dollar it is something like this. We have the United Kingdom, which is also known as UK. We have their unit for money as pound. They use pounds, and their particular pound it is represented with this particular E with one line over there. Then we have Europe, right, whereby they use the euro, whereby its unit is like an E with almost two lines inside of that particular E, right? So we have, let me just say I have this particular water bottle. Let me just say I have a water bottle, and this particular water bottle in South Africa, let me just say I assume it cost 10 rands in South Africa. But then if you were in the United States, let me just say it only cost $1. What can you say about the rand and the dollar, whereby the same water in South Africa you need 10 rands for you to buy it, and the very same water in the United States you need only $1 to buy it? It means $1 it is the same as 10 rands, because the buying power it is the same. So it means $1 buys you the very same thing 10 rands will buy you. It means $1 and 10 rands will be the same, because they have the same buying power. So the first question says given, it means given the exchange rate of $1 being the same as 10 rands, then the first question comes. It says how many rands will you get for $50? A, how many rands will you get for $50? Now it means if $1 it is the same as 10 rands, right? $1 it is the same as 10 rands. It means $2 it is the same as 20 rands. $3 it is the same as 30 rands. But then if you have $50, how many rands do you have? It means I'm going to establish the relationship between rands and $1. So here I'm going to have my dollar with this particular symbol. I'm going to have my rands with this particular symbol, the R. I know that $1 it is the same as 10 rands. That is the buying power. It means $1 in America buys you the same item 10 rands would buy you in South Africa. Therefore it means $1 and 10 rands are the same, right? Now if you have $50, how many rands do you have? It means over there I'm going to have the X. I'm going to cross multiply, right? The number that is above multiplies the one that is below, and the one that is below multiplies the one that is above. It means I'm going to have the 10 multiplying the 50. I'm going to have 500. It is equal to, and the 1 multiplies the X. I'm going to have X. It means if you have $50, it means you are going to have 500 rands. How many rands will you get with $50? It means you are going to receive 500 rands. Then we have B, whereby B says how many dollars will you get with $50 50 rands. How many dollars will you then get with 50 rands? If you have $1, you have 10 rands. If you have $2, you have 20 rands. If you have $3, you have 30 rands. But then if you have 50 rands, how many dollars should you have? I'm going to have my dollar this side with this symbol. I'm going to have my rands this side with the very same symbol, which is the R. I know that $1 it is the same as 10 rands. But then if I have 50 rands, how many dollars do I have? I'm going to put X over there, right? The number that is above multiplies the one that is below, and the one that is below multiplies the one that is above. It means I'm going to have the 1 multiplying the 50, that is going to become a 50, and the 10 multiplying the X. It means I'm going to have a 10 times X. I'm looking for X, which is the number of dollars that I should have if I have 50 rands, right? Therefore, it means I'm going to know that 10 and X, they are multiplying. Inverse operation of multiplication, it is division. It means I'm going to divide both sides by a 10, whereby a 10 and the 10, I'll be left with the X, and what is 50 divided by 10? The answer is going to be 5. It means if I have 50 rands, it means that is the same as $5. It means that is the same as $5, right? Then let us look at this question as well. It says a calculator costs $12.80. You buy it over the internet, and you pay $3.30 for delivery, right? For delivery, then you end up paying $289.32 rands. The question says, it comes and says, what is the exchange rate? Whereby what is a $1 equal to $1, it is the same as how many rands? That is the question. $1, it is the same as how many rands. Therefore, this one is a different question from the one that we had above. So from the question that we had above, we were given the exchange rate, whereby $1 was same as 10 rands. But then this time around, we are required to find that particular exchange rate. Now, there's a calculator that is in America. They say this is the calculator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 0. Now let me just say and assume that this is our calculator, right? Now this particular calculator, it is in America. You want to buy this calculator. You have paid $12.80 for the calculator that is in the shelf in the American stores. But then you also pay $3.30 for the shipment of this particular calculator from the shelf to your door. It means there has to be some shipment transport fee, which is $3.30. Now, what is the total amount in dollars? Therefore, I'm going to look for the total cost in dollars, right? Now, the total cost in dollars, it is going to become $12.80 plus $3.30. It means in total, you have paid $16.10 for the calculator. For the calculator itself, and $3.30 for the delivery of that particular calculator. Therefore, this is the total cost in dollars. Therefore, now I'm going to look for the total cost in rands. Total costs in rands, right? The total cost in rands, it is $289.32. You are in South Africa. You will never or cannot pay in dollars. It means you have to pay in rands that will compensate or for those dollars. It means the rands that you are going to pay should be the same as the dollars you are supposed to pay. It means the total cost in rands, it is 289, and the total cost in dollars is 16.10. What can you see? It means $16.10. It is the same as 289.32 rands. That is the exchange rate. It means if you have $16.10, or if you want to pay $16.10, but then you want to pay in rands, it means you are going to pay 289.32 rands. So now we want to know that what is $1 equal to if 16.10 are equal to 289.32, and what is going to be a dollar worth in terms of the rands. We are going to say we have a table for my dollar this side with this symbol, and I'm going to have my rands this side with this particular symbol. I know that $16.10 gave me a calculator with its delivery, but then in South Africa I paid 289.32. Means 16.10 it is the same as 289.32 rands. But then $1 it is the same as how many rands? That is why I have to put 1 on the dollar part and X on the rands part. I am going to cross multiply, whereby the 16.10 will multiply the X and the 289.32 will multiply the 1. It means I'm going to have 1 times 289, which is going to be 289.32. It is equal to 16.10 times X, which is going to be 16.10 times X. I'm looking for X, not 16.10 times X. I am going to do the inverse operation, divide both sides by 16.10, divide both sides by 16.10, so that this and that will cancel each other. I'm left with X. And what is 289.32 divided by 16? It means I'm going to get 17.97. It means $1 it is the same as 17.97 rands. That is why $16.10 it is the same as 289 rands. Right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I just hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.